Protein makes up the building blocks of organs, muscles, skin, and hormones. Your body needs protein to maintain and repair tissues. Meanwhile, children need it for growth. Protein is essential for maintaining and repairing body tissue. It may also help you lose weight. A wide variety of foods provides protein. Plant-based foods, such as lentils, are a good option for vegans and vegetarians. Studies show that eating protein can also help you lose weight and belly fat while increasing your muscle mass and strength. A diet that is high in protein may also help lower blood pressure, fight diabetes, and more. The reference daily intake for protein is 46 grams for women and 56 grams for men. However, many health and fitness experts believe you need more than that to function optimally. So, here is a list of 15 delicious foods that are high in protein. If you're new here, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more videos and stay connected. So, let's get started. Eating healthy food fills your body with energy and nutrients. Imagine your cells smiling back at you and saying, "Thank you."